I'll be highlighting the new assignment authoring workflow in MapleT A 2016. So assignment editing and creating a new one is all done right inside the content repository. Same thing with adaptive assignments, but in this video I'll only be highlighting the assignment workflow, the regular one. The adaptive assignment workflow is very similar, but I won't be highlighting it right now. Now, it's a three-step process to create an assignment. Before I go into each step, I want to talk about the names of the buttons at the bottom. So the first button we have is Save and Close. This button allows you to save what you've done so far and return back to the content repository. The Save button allows you to just save what you've done so far, but you don't go back to the content repository. You just continue creating and modifying the assignment. And the Cancel button, of course, cancels what you've done and doesn't save anything. But the first step is simply choosing a name. You can type that in along with an optional short name, description, and text to show at the header or results page. The second tab is to select the questions you want to use inside of your assignment. That's a few different things you can do here. There's three main things I want to talk about, and that's import question, new question, and new question group. So import question is where you go to import questions you already have made from your content repository. So here I'll select a few. Click import, and now they're imported into my assignment. And here they're on the left. Click on each one to see it. I can also delete questions, or even click on the edit button. I can modify this question. Maybe I saw a typo, or just I wanted to change the response area. I do that right inside the assignment editing workflow. I don't have to save and go back to the content repository and do it there. It's all done right here. I can also drag and drop these questions so that I can reorder them in the assignment. Now moving on, you can also add a new question. And again, it's all done right inside of the assignment editor. The question designer is embedded right here, so you can create your question and use it right then and there in the assignment. No need to go back and forth between different positions in MapleT A. It's all just done right inside of here. And of course, you can also do question groups which behave like they did previously. You can add questions to the group. You can then change the properties and tell MapleT A to randomly select a certain subset of the questions in this group. This third tab is where you now set all the policies. So you first choose the type of assignment. You then choose the general properties. You can manage the scheduling and visibility, the feedback during and after, as well as reporting an IP address and hosting restrictions through the whitelist. Now what's great here is that you probably saw a lot of these options, they all now have descriptions underneath them, so you can understand exactly what each one means. This is brand new to MapleT A. No need to now go back and forth between the help from MapleT A. It's all described here in good detail as to what each option actually does. So I hope you enjoy this new feature and a lot more in MapleT A 2016.